Welcome. Welcome to Science, Health and Healing Encyclopedia of Children's Health Core. I'm Dr. Majid Ali. The subject of this video is Obamacare and the Supreme Court, Part 2. In Part 1, I briefly told you that on June 28th, the Supreme Court ruled Obamacare as constitutionally valid. Next day, the New York Times reported that HCA stock, one of the largest corporations in the United States, in the world really, which controls hospitals and medical facilities, rose 11%. Wall Street people know where the money is. I also told you that I welcome this decision from the Supreme Court, but no, I do not believe that 10 years from now it's going to make any difference in the health of the United States people, and in 20 years we are going to be sicker. I'll give you some reasons. In early June of 2012, the New York Times reported that coronary artery stents do not save any lives based on a report on the American Medical Association, that close to $70 billion are spent on coronary artery stents because 1 million stents were done in year 2011. 10,000 people lost their lives because of procedures. By my estimated, more than 15,000 people got strokes. And remember, dying in the United States is far more expensive than living. So the total cost comes to, in my estimate, closer to $150 billion, and that doesn't count the cost of the fear and the work and the time taken out of the work of people. In the United States, the two biggest categories of drug used, one is statins, and the only doctors who can support the use of statins to prevent heart disease are the doctors who do not understand and do not study the molecular biology of cholesterol. Heart disease is not a plumbing problem. I have a large channel on this encyclopedia addressing many aspects of this. For professional readers, integrative cardiology and chelation therapy, my 6th volume of the 12-volume textbook, The Principles and Practice of Integrative Medicine, gives you the full information and all the citations. The second major category of drugs in the United States is drugs for the so-called mental health disorders. How can we ever expect that government or Supreme Court rulings can alter this dire state of affairs? Notice neither President Obama nor Republicans, neither Tea Partiers nor Wall Street occupiers talk about the responsibility of children and teenagers to their own health, responsibility of adults to their own health, responsibility of teachers, children, and the society to the health of children, toddlers, and yes, unborn children. Please watch the companion segment, Toxic Womb State. What can we do? We can take responsibility for our health. And that is the vision at this encyclopedia, to provide information which is free of cost, free of corporate deceptions, free of ideological distortions. Please forward this YouTube segment to your contacts. Thank you for joining us. Thank you so much.